How to delete Safari history. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the settings application on your device and scroll down and you will see the option for apps. So tap on the apps option you see there and then scroll down again and navigate to Safari and tap on it. Here, in this particular interface, scroll down and you will see the option for clear history and website data. So tap on the clear history and website data option you see there and select the time frame for the history that you want to delete. You can delete the history for your last hour or of today or of today and yesterday or the entire history. So go ahead and choose your preferred option and then go ahead and choose if you want to close all tabs or not by simply toggling on or toggling off the tabs. Finally, tap on the clear history button you see there at the bottom, and with this, if the clear history and website data option here is grayed out, then it simply means that your browsing history has been cleared successfully. So this was about how you can delete Safari history. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.